Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
For December 15, the clue is these hops are cool. So assuming that that's a cold-related pun, this shouldn't be all that hard. And we see an ice box there. So let me see if I can open this. Yes, I can. 15. I'm supposed to drink this with farmhouse cheese. No, I will not. So it's Extravaganza. Farmhouse ale. Well, intriguing, intriguing. And my better half actually mentioned that even though I did it for fun the last time, having a beer glass is good so I can show the color of the beer. So you get some foam as well. I can't tilt the glass. But yeah, it looks very lagerish. I'm not sure. What was it? Farmhouse ale. Yeah, maybe that's typically a lager. Let's give it a shot. Ooh. My tongue just curled up and it crawled back in the back of my throat somewhere. Oh, oh, this is sour. I think, yeah, sour is the word. If you like sour beer, good for you. This is, I do not like.